Hello everyone, welcome back to Technith. This is Sanit. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. So what is Girls Wanna Code? Powered by Flipkart. So it is open to women from all engineering colleges, batch of 2028. Only batch of 2028, not 2027, 29, 30. Okay. So registration date start from December 22, ends on January 15. It's already 1,30,670 views, 8,000 registrations around. So what is this? So actually it is a special program for the women to encourage their involvement in technical side. So career opportunities, summer internship interview opportunity for 2028 graduate students from bachelor's, master's and dual integrated tech degrees. Performance and requirement based on PBOs. Pre-placement offers. Recognition will certificate of merit and also top performers be invited to Flipkart headquarters in Bengaluru for networking with leaders. So it will be invited. You will be invited if you selected. So rewards, application based learning. Next intensive learning from SMEs, Flipkart SMEs with leaders, great leaders. So application based, it will be total contest details will be like only within 4 to 5 steps. So I will explain. Please listen clearly and don't skip the video until video ends. Eligibility only women engineering students of 2028 batch. So all registered participants will be subjected to screening based on academic criteria like CGPA, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, and curricular activities. So you will be shortlisted from this. So there is some key milestones. So step 1 screening. So I earlier told na based on screening like CGPA, curricular activities. Stage 2 coding assessment. So small coding assessment will be conducted to filter out the students. Third one learning cohort. So you will be given some modules to learn. Then it will be evaluated. Network stage 4 networking event. So top 1% of participants will be Bengaluru Flipkart headquarters. So stage 5 hiring drive. So it will be conducted there in person. So how to register? So create account. So I will give this link in description. Go to description, click on the link and you will open like this web interface. So after that sign up with your Google account or email ID or etc. So it will take some time. Then you will be redirected to registration form. So please fill these details carefully because you will be evaluated or screened on based on the details which you are giving now. Okay. Please fill carefully and also make sure that what are the co-curricular activities you achieved in this like current academics. Mention that properly with proofs. Okay. You can mention n number of proofs so that you have more number of choices to get in. So if you're Hyderabad St. Peter's Engineering College, click on the spec, you will be listed like your college name. So next branch, if you are AML, click on the AML, Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning. So next CGPA, percentage CGPA. So what the CGPA your gain. So mention the CGPA, if example 9.80, 9.8 out of 10. So next, GitHub link, provide. If not important also you have to provide. Okay, because based on that you will be evaluated na internship project details. You have to give a clear broad explanation. So next certifications. So certification plays a vital role. Next highlights of your key academic achievements like your topper or etc, hackathon winner etc like that. So if you have any active backlogs, no. Any gap in education, no. CV, resume, file, photo will be updated based on the photo size requirements. Okay, next click on agree. I agree, then submit. Okay, then you get logged into like that. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.